What is a GPU? A complete, in-depth explanation of the graphics processing unit, GPU. A GPU, or graphics processing unit, is a specialized processor designed to accelerate graphics rendering and perform complex computations. Today, it plays a vital role in various applications beyond graphics, including AI, deep learning, and scientific simulations. GPUs have evolved from simple chips designed to handle basic graphics tasks to powerful processors capable of performing advanced computations. They are essential in modern devices, including computers, smartphones, and gaming consoles. Key functions of a GPU include image rendering, drawing 2D/3D objects, applying textures, and rendering animations. Video processing, encoding and decoding high-definition video content. General-purpose computing, utilizing frameworks like CUDA for scientific computing. AI and machine learning, essential for neural network training and real-time AI inference. GPU, CPU, hundreds to thousands. 4 to 32. Parallel processing, sequential and branching tasks. Faster for parallel tasks. Faster for single-thread tasks. Graphics, AI, simulations. OS, logic, calculations. Higher in discrete GPUs. Lower in most CPUs. Has dedicated VRAM. Uses system RAM. Modern GPUs are essential for various real-life applications. In gaming, they enable high FPS and realistic environments. In content creation, they assist with video rendering and 3D animation. To summarize the significance of GPUs, they enhance gaming experiences and support high-definition video playback. They are crucial for AI and machine learning applications. They facilitate scientific research and simulations. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this explanation of GPUs insightful and informative.